Hey folks, this is Jacob at Gog's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we have in our brand new 2024 Jay Feather 22RB. So this one will have a rear bathroom. It's huge. Wait till you see it. We'll start on the outside here. We have our power tongue jack. Behind there is our LP cylinders, a pair of 20-pound. With the purchase here at Gog's, you'd get a brand new battery, which would go here. And then also your tanks would be full. So we have our pass-through storage. Each side there is a battery disconnection switch right there, nice and convenient. A place to put side cameras on. So here we have your holding tanks, your gray water. This is a cubby. More storage. On this side we have another gray and a black holding tank. We do have it hooked up to power. This is a 30 amp. We have our cable input, our city water connection. Back here we do have a full spare tire with the Jayco cover. It is prepped for a backup camera as well as the side cameras, as I mentioned. Have our ladder. Nice big power awning with a very nice LED strip lighting. We do have the outdoor kitchen area. We have a small refrigerator. And it does come with a griddle. So the gas hookup would be right back here. And it's got a nice mount. So got everything you need here. It does come with straps when you're traveling. You can secure that grill right there. A couple of outdoor speakers there. We do have our water heater. This is actually a TV mount for your outside. We have our furnace. And then the other side of our pass-through. So then we got our 4-corner stabilizer jacks. We'll take a look inside. And I'll mention we do have the aluminum treads, nice lightweight. Just get put up here. You shut the door. I won't do it now because it does lock in place. So there's that screen door. Alrighty. So right away inside, got a nice big pantry. Have our, this is our gas water heater. Our Jayco command runs everything, your awning, your slides, your AC. You can pair your phone to this and control everything from there. You can check your tanks, your water pump. So, and then this one does come with a solar panel on top, so this is your controller for that. Nice big rear bathroom, like I was saying, tons of countertop space. Couple of cabinets. Looks like there's a cabinet below, little cubby. Toilet paper holder. Do have our nice walk-in shower. Couple of deep cubbies. Little towel rack there. So this one has the large U-shaped dinette, converts to a bed. It's nice and long. So this one would sleep 3 to 4 people. Do have our entertainment center. Got our flat screen, got our radio for inside and out. More cubbies. We got the kitchen area. A bunch of drawers. Got our 3-burner stovetop with nice glass cover. Got the oven. Back here is actually a knife rack. It looks like it fits quite a bit. We got the microwave. Place for all your dishes. We do have the 12-volt refrigerator and freezer here. What's really cool about this is it's dual swing. So both sides. Pretty crazy stuff. Here we have the queen bed with plenty of storage to the right and left. Above, there's even a drawer that comes out. So, a place to hang up your clothes. Some nice storage. And there is some storage below, which is kind of nice. And we got the nice big sliding door as well. Sliding door on the bathroom. Got the roof AC. Forgot to mention the sink here. I think that's going to wrap it up, guys. Again, this is a 2024 Jayco Jay Feather 22RB. If you would like to come see this in person or have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 507-345-5858. My name is Jacob, and thanks for watching.